Hi, Daniel here, and we made it to December. Thanks for tuning in to this last product update video for the year. We just have a few updates, some minor changes to the bulk product editor, and then some improvements we've made to editing prices and previewing those. Let's go ahead and get started. We have two updates this month related to prices in the bulk product editor. As you know, when you go to maybe run a sale, you can go down here and see a preview of the price change. Previously, the old value for the price would have had a strikeout through it, but we realized this got confusing when people are used to seeing that format for the compare at price. So now we'll display the old value here in gray with an arrow pointing to the new value of the price. And we hope that this makes it easier when you're editing your prices. Secondly, we've also added two new rounding options. We have round to nearest multiple and replace last digit. And the reason we added these was that there's some ambiguity when we say you want to round numbers to the nearest 9. You can either want to round them to a multiple of 9 or just replace the last digit to 9. So now these extra options that we have here should make it easier to get the exact result that you're looking for. Both of these are live now and will help you doing sales or other price edits going forwards. Two other quick updates from this month. The first is now that when you set date time metafields, those will be set automatically using the store's time zone. So for example, if we have some shoes here and we have a release time metafield, what we can do is when we set that, we see that the time is in the Europe Madrid time. And then also for the preview, we see the time zone explicit here. Before this data was stored in UTC, but switching it to the shop's time zone should make it easier to keep track of. And listing the time zone will help reduce confusion about exactly what time zone we're dealing with. The other change that we've made is now that metafield namespaces and keys are case insensitive. For most people, this shouldn't affect anything, but we had cases before where you might have a custom namespace that's uppercase, and other cases it's referred to in lowercase. And now we just handle these in a case insensitive manner similar to Shopify. Well, that wraps it up for this year. Hope you're able to get some time to rest and relax over the holidays, and we'll be back next year with more updates on the apps. Until then, bye-bye.